Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, so once again, welcome everyone in today's class. We are on the day number 11 today. Okay, before I kick off today's discussion, I have a question for you guys. Aishwarya, you can note down. Number one question or number first question is that read about VIP user in the user table. Yesterday I pinged in the chat window, right? VIP user in the user table. I will not give you any explanation. You will get easily on the ServiceNow doc, easily in the ServiceNow community. But I want you guys to do the R&D because we will use these particular things in our next conditions. Second point, important. From where this text is coming. I want to make a change of this text. Clear everyone on the question? From where this text is coming? Another question for you guys. Aishwarya, please have a note on that part. Now I will log in it here. Sorry, I'm
Atul,
very. Yes, Aishwarya, go ahead.
so how do we copy updates from one instance to another instance?
That we will do on the day 30th or the day 35. That is the
Okay.
complete session will be there for 1 hour. How to move your updates and don't say copy. It is a movement or the migration. Yes, don't say copy here. Okay, so Harsha told, sir, if I put small list, it open the all records. If I put the capital list, it open the new window. Let me say incident. LIST. And it open the list of records for you. The same thing I will do. It open the same thing in the new window. That is the only difference between LIST and LIST in the small letter. The only thing, Harsha, which not good for me, you know the practical, but you did not do the, sorry, you know the theory, but you did not done the practical part. There is the only thing which is not good here. If you know theory, go for the practical part as well. Okay, that is the thing. Now let me come to the today's topic. We done the form, we done the table, field declaration, all the things we done. On the day 3 or 4, we discuss that what is this called? This particular line or this particular place, what is this called? On the top.
Banner frame.
Banner frame, right. And one of you asked, Atul, I want to change this service management. I want to change this image. Okay. Now, if I say, let's take example of Arun. Arun is a identity for me. Arun has few attributes. Arun first name, last name, father name, education, qualification, job, company, CTC, wife name, kid name, address, everything is Arun's attribute. But there are some things which Arun hold, but that we cannot mark as an attribute. Arun is a good person. It is not an attribute. It is his property. Right? Because you cannot mention good anywhere in the attributes. Is good is Arun's name? No. Good is Arun last name? No. Good is Arun company? No. But Arun is a good person. He is very intelligent. That is his property. Right? So in ServiceNow as well, when I talk about the tool, a tool has its own property. Same goes for your mobile phone as well. Your mobile phone has a few properties in the background where you can go and uninstall any app, where you can go and install any app, where you can go and increase the, what I can say, contrast of your phone. You can go and change the themes of your phone as well. Those are the properties available. So today we are going to be discuss about the system properties. Don't think it's a property. It is, I'm specifically talking about the system property. And if you make any change in the system property, it will impact to my all users. Number one important point, it is not a personalized view. It will change the everyone. It will change for everyone value, basically I can say. Let's take example. Go here, search for the system properties. Okay, come this side here. This is important for the developer. Number one point. On the second point, it is important for the consultant as well. You should know how my system is driving the things at his or her end specifically. Okay, the thing which you are able to see, my customers say, no, I want my company logo, my company name. User, sorry, it cannot be done because you don't know it is a configurable or not configurable. But if you are a consultant, you should know that how my system has been designed. So what I'll do, I'll come here on the basic configuration. This exercise you can do in your respective PDIs, because if you do in my PDI, if one person is doing, other person will be overriding that part. Okay, so let me change the text here. Learn and go together. Okay. See how quick it make change. You can see here, learn and grow together is my company name. Do you want to change something in the banner and the list caption background color? Yes, I want to change something. Let me select here. I'm not sure that what will change, but something will change definitely. What has been changed? Don't know, but need to be see that what actually changed in the background. Okay. Browser tab title. Here you are able to see incident service now. Okay, these are the things which is tough to get in any book specifically, or any training you will get it. So let me say LNG, learn and grow. When I reload my page, it will change my this thing as well. Okay, now I want to change the image. Do you think, Atul, this is showing the red color and this is showing the green color? It means we are doing something wrong here. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
What wrong we are doing here? Tell me what wrong we are doing here. This image and this image is not same. Then what is wrong I'm doing here? Tell me.
This is the old UI.
Hey, Sabash, perfect. This is the old UI actually. We are in the UI 16 and we are making a change for the UI 15. Let make a correction here. Let add an image here. Batch 3. Okay. Now let me save this. Then we'll see this thing. It has been saved. Now let me reload my page. It is still not changed because I'm in the UI 16. Let me go to the UI 15 first. Sorry, this has been changed now. I'm thinking on this part. LNG. See. Clear? Fundamental. Everyone, yes or no?
Yeah, it is clear, but there is one question. So if you go to the same place, remember, I mean to say, we had the lot of discussion around the two concept about the configuration and customization, right?
Right.
Right. So here the tool shows us the configuration, right? Basic configuration, whereas
Right.
it looks like it is a customization for the according
No,
to the
no, no,
client.
no, 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 no.
Hmm?
It's a configuration. It's a configuration because you are just changing the value. You are just changing the value. You are not giving any new enhancement. What you added here as a new, which you call as a customization. See, Arun, and for everyone, when you purchase a new phone, right?
Right.
You configure that phone with your own ID, my own Gmail ID. You put your WhatsApp on that, right? You are
Right.
configuring the phone as per your ID. It is a configuration. But if you say, no, no, Atul, I changed the screen layout as well completely. Before that, I was able to see on the landscape. Now I make some changes in my phone and I can see in the portrait mode as well completely. Then it is a customization. If you are changing the behavior of a tool, then it is a customization. This is just a normal configuration. I'm just putting customer name. What else I'm changing here? Right? In when you purchase a new phone, it show Redmi 9, Redmi 12, iPhone this. What you go and change your name, Arun Kumar. So that if anyone open the Bluetooth, it show Arun Kumar ka name. If you open Wi-Fi, it show okay, Arun Kumar ka name will show there, right? So that is just a configuration. I'm not changing anything in the
Okay.
tool as of now. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
So when you add any value or in the drop down something, it is a configuration. But when you try to make any behavior change, then it can be a customization. Okay. So now let me go back to my UI 16 here. Everyone clear till this point or any doubt? Yes, ladies. Aishwarya, Ashwani, Harsha, Dhanashri. Yes, no, Hana.
No, sir.
Good, Tanvi. Okay, let me come to the
Hello,
another department. Yes, Dhanashri.
sir. Sir, we are changing a learn and grow together. This app in UI 16.
Yes,
Yes.
this is common
And
for everyone. Basic
okay,
UI 1516 goes for it is common for that. But this image is different actually.
yes.
Okay. Now what we'll do? Go to the system properties. And now we go for the UI 16 changes. Here. This thing. And now you want to make a change, you can change it. Okay. So it will see quickly it is be updating here. Okay. Now you can change the time zone for the all users. Let me change for everyone time zone. I say we all will work in the GMT time zone only. This thing. Now even for you as well, the time zone is the GMT. Unless you will go in your profile and make a change in the time zone. Okay, that is another point. You can fix the date format for everyone. You can fix the time format for everyone. Header background color, this color basically. This one, see, it has been changed now. If you come little more, it is changing now. This one. Okay, so you can make banner text color, this one. Mhm. This one. So you can see changes are there now. Okay, tell me one thing. Or you guys, okay, not tell me. It's a homework for you. Don't worry, I have a complete collection of these questions with me. The day I'm not in the mood for the new topic, I will open this question and we'll do these things. Why I need to be change the color of my ServiceNow instance? Why it is be required as a developer, as a consultant? Homework for you guys. Why I should change the theme of my instance? Being a developer, being a tester, being a consultant, or being a customer. Very basic answer, but I want you to be troubleshoot that part. Okay. Navigation, header, footer, all these things you can make a changes. So a lot of things are there as of now. Let not go in much deep dive. You can do your R&D in your instance. Okay, this is important. Base theme. La Zola is a base theme. This means how this thing be appearing here for you guys. That is the base theme. Let's go here and put a oblet and click on the save. Current user has been updated with the GMT. That's fine because I changed the GMT. The property set user session, therefore all logged in user logout can become okay. This browser active style has been changed, property updated. Let me now reload my page so that changes can be taken place quickly. Don't know what changes has been done with the themes. No idea. Okay. One more thing. When you do the practice, please see these things as well. Currently selected navigation tab. This one. If you want to make a change in this, unselect navigation tab, or maybe I'm talking about these things. अच्छे color ही नहीं है इनके पास. Okay, see, it has been changed. See, it become yellow now in the picture. See, it has been changing. Border color for the UI 16. These border they are talking, if I'm not wrong. It is a good session for the ladies department. They can do all kind of designing which they want. Okay, don't take me wrong, but I'm just putting it as a things. Navigation select tab divider bar color. This one, this color when these two things in between. I guess this will be take place when you make a changes. So this is the one of the place which I say you need to make a changes. But what else other than this? Let me save it now. Okay. Now go to the system properties. Okay, refresh the browser. Let me do that part so that everything can be taken place. Okay. Guys, today I have a hard stop at 9:30 because in my kids' school they are celebrating Father's Day, so I need to be make my attendance there as well. Okay, let's go to the system. Yeah, this one. Now my company. Let me skip for time being this thing. Let me skip for the time being. It is not be urgently here required, but I go for the others one. UI properties. Now, if you see this, people who are already working in ServiceNow, for them, it is can be a refresher one. But for the rest of the people, this is the good place to learn a lot of new things. Hub है ये hub यहाँ पर अब. Let me try to explain few things one by one. Show names instead of email address in activity header for this one. Let me open one record here. Okay, let me open this record here. Because I want to discuss this thing today actually with you guys. No email is there. Okay, let skip this as of now, this property. I'll show you that when we go for this emails now. When the email will be appearing here, then I'll show you this part. Remember this thing, anyone can be just take a note on the part. Assign to image used in activity format. The thing which you are able to see here, these things, activity, right? These are called the activity logger. He's saying that the activity image in assigned to, you can see. Let's see which property is talking. Okay, property name image icon users JPEGs. This thing it is showing this thing. From where it is becoming? It is coming from the this particular place. User GIF X. How you can see? Click here. These many images are available in service now. Let it be load completely. See. I'm sure that many of icons you already saw in the service now. See, a lot of icons are there. And it's a user. If you want to see, you can go here and search for the users. User assessment editor. Cursor background. Animated one. Let's see animated one. See. These are the animated images. Assessment one. We need to be see that from where this is coming. Mail. Okay. And uploads name background. Okay, nothing is there for the background. GWT. Not sure. Logos. There's multiple logos of this things. So it means if you want to make the changes in the activity format, here you want to make any changes, then you have to go for the properties to be changed. But always remember, if you change any property, it will impact on the globally. When I say globally, it will be a change for everyone, not for a single person, not for a single user. Okay, so by this things you can understand that these are the images used in the property column here. Okay, so that is the one thing which I can be tell you here. Now if I go here, activity additional comment style, white color. Additional comment style, basically this one they are talking. This one. The color is the white. If you want to make change, you can try something else here. I'm not sure that it will take 100%. Let's try this thing. Because generally we did not do any changes in the property, and it is called the customization. One more thing important for you guys, it is called the customization, because you're changing the behavior now of a tool. Okay, so that is a service now say the property which I'm giving to you, use as it is. Not sure if this color has been changed or something. Maybe some other color has been changed or additional comments. Possibly. So we need to be see that where this color has been changing. A lot of things are there which even I did not explore a lot of time. Okay, this is important. Now on the form, you're able to see update button. If I want the save button as well on my form, you can go here and make a change. Yes, and click on the save here. Done. Let me reload my So you can see save. Once it has been saved, then you can go for the insert and update button as well. But the thing is that from where this properties button is coming, it is coming from the properties for me. And here's the property. Save, insert, and insert the button on the form. Insert and stay. Let me try this way actually. Let's try another way as well. Guys, confusing तो नहीं है कुछ? Or a lot of confusion are there. Okay, let's take a break for a minute. Tanvi. All clear? Any doubt? Any question?
No sir, actually my internet is slow, so actually थोड़ा problem आ रहा है, इसलिए lag कर रही थी मैं बीच में थोड़ा.
Okay, fine. Vishwajit. Any doubt?
Atul, why do we need save, update, submit?
Good point. Very good point. It is actually a valid question which can be asked by your customer as well in your workshops. See, what is the difference between update and save? Anyone? What is the difference between update and save? Let me go back. Aishwarya, I'll answer with this point. I'll come to you.
Actually,
Yes, Nikhil. Yes, Arun. Okay, go ahead, Vishwajit, go ahead.
Actually, when we click on update, then it moves out. It saves and it moves out of the record. And when we click on save, it saves and we stay on the record itself.
Perfectly fine answer. So Aishwarya, what happened earlier? Earlier, ServiceNow giving the option update and save both on the form. Okay. Then their customer give a feedback to the ServiceNow. Why you want two buttons for the same purpose? If you click on update, if you click on save, your record is getting stored into the database. Then ServiceNow says, okay, let me remove the save button. Let's have an update button. But we as a human being never satisfied with the tool. Then customer again start complaining. No. Why update button? Why not save button is there? That is the thing. Then ServiceNow says, okay, I am giving you option to bring the save button as per your requirement. What save will do, if you click on the save, it will store the value in the database and you will stay in the same form. But if you click on the update, it will take you on the list of records or the previous form actually. There is a major difference between update and save. There's no other difference between these two. As per functionality, all same, but this execution will be a little different here.
Okay.
Clear?
And
Yeah.
submit.
Go ahead.
No, and the submit button.
Submit means that if I'm creating a record here, let me put name here, Tanvi. Okay, and put it in test. I click submit. Submit is submit is basically used for the first time only to submit your records, and it also take you to the next part. See, you are moving on the next one now. You are not on the same incident. It take you to the next incident now. So it to make the user experience good. ServiceNow say, boss, I'm giving you everything. You save, submit, update, anything. If you see me from the last few days, I'm putting the save always because I want to be continue on this form for the changes or for the discussions. So it is up to you that how you want to go. Now you have update. Let me click update here. You are out from this particular form then. So that is the purpose of the update and the save and insert stay. Okay.
Okay.
Insert stay will not available of incident change or problem knowledge. Why? Because insert says you are entering any data. When I say the data means I'm talking about the remember, what do you mean by the foundation data? It was a question, right? Tell me, what do you mean by the foundation data? Being a business analyst, tell me. Tell me what is the foundation data? Don't shy now. I am very bad teacher. Prashant, what do you mean by the foundation data? Dhanashri.
Common
Yes.
forms tables used.
Okay. Common form table. Okay. I'll come to you, Aishwarya. Dhanashri, what do you mean by the foundation data?
So it is a table that can we share in multiple process and
Example, layman example. I don't understand the bookish language. Ashwani. Ashwani, what do you mean by the foundation data? Tell me. Nikhil Bansal, what do you mean by the foundation data? I told you day one that I can pick up this question any point of time. Tell me, what do you mean by foundation data?
अगर मतलब what I understand is, for example, जैसे कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हम स्ट्रक्चर ले सकते हैं कि
Nikhil, please use English only because Aishwarya don't understand Hindi completely. So let's use English. Okay, yes, go ahead.
Okay, so like simple. If we take example of a simple organization structure, like I can check out who is the manager, who and to which location he's from, and what is the group he is a part of. Like it's a foundation data for a particular person, user data.
Okay, ठीक है. Tanvi, what do you mean by the foundation data?
Information about
What
the
information?
company, or their
My
suppose
company
like accounts and
my company is earning 2 crore per month. It is the foundation data or no?
yes.
How? Harsha, Tanvi, think. I'll come back to you. Harsha, what do you mean by the foundation data? Don't think कि सर आज मूड में बहुत गुस्से वाले मूड में लग रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Yes, Harsha, what do you mean by the foundation data? Tanvi, think on the Nikhil's point. He's near about closing of that stuff. Yes, Harsha, tell me what do you mean by the foundation data? Who left? Ashwani हो गई, Aishwarya, Prashant. Oh yes, Harsha, go ahead, Harsha. Go ahead.
It contains a basic information which helps
Which
to
information?
build.
Which information? Don't tell me theoretical part. Give me the example. Sir, this is the foundation data. Tell me what information. Prashant, what do you mean by the foundation data? I am thinking who is going to leave the meeting in 1 minute now. Vinuj, what do you mean by the foundation data?
Hi. Okay, so it is the common data table which are shared between multiple applications. So for example, like we have a baseline data. Okay, so we have a CSDM. Okay, like we have the common service data model.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Vinesh, you are going very far, very far. You are approximately 1,000 miles away from the ground. I'm looking for the ground reality. What do you mean by the foundation data? CSM is the just introduced actually. So let's not go in that
So
deep dive. What do you mean
okay,
the foundation?
so like though like with the term foundation, it is means the baseline data. I mean the
Okay,
base on which your like on base on which your system is going to work.
okay. What includes in the foundation data? What includes?
Your tables,
What tables?
base tables.
What base tables? Arun.
Such as the roles, one of our friends said, no, like the manager part, then what are the roles assigned to him or her, right? And
What
those are
else?
the
What else?
the it's basically the common data, which can be
What?
which can be
See,
uh,
don't take me wrong. Everybody is saying it is a common data, it is information, but what do you mean by the common data? If you are a consultant, you are sitting in front of
Like
me, you say, I need your foundation data. What data? Tell me what exactly you need.
for
customer
example,
customer
we
customer information,
Customer
customer
information.
information.
Okay.
such as
Go ahead.
and
contacts,
the you
custom
and
consumers as well.
all of us created users, so all of our users information, that could be a foundation data for all the users.
Okay. User information is the one. What else?
Accounts which are linked,
Okay.
we
What else? What else?
service contracts.
What else?
That
What
could be.
else? You are just on the 3 points. You are on the 3 points only.
So this is like we you showed us one chart now, like ServiceNow has so many different like HR customer.
I need example. User, contract, entitlements. What else in the foundation data? My dear friends, you are my consultants. Think. If you are not clear that what you want from the customer, how you will build the system. डालो दिमाग पे जोर डालो थोड़ा सा. Yes, Arun.
Like what are the issues they are facing, the incident,
नहीं. Issues are the pain areas. No. Okay, now I tell you. In foundation data, basically we take care these 5 or 6 major terms. Okay. User data, department data, group data, location data, role data. These are the basics foundation data which help me. Your category, your subcategory is your foundation data. Your SLA to run that particular process is my foundation data. Without that, you cannot start. If you don't know the departments of a customer, how you will be configured in the tool? These are the foundation data. Why I put this question? Because the same question has been asked in interview to me. Atul, how you kick off your project? How you kick off your ServiceNow implementation? What is the base for you? I say I need an instance. I will go to the customer for the requirement gathering. He says, okay, but what else? I say I want to understand the foundation data. How many user base he has? How many department he has? How many user going to work in ServiceNow? How many locations he has? How many regions he has? How many groups he has, which I need to be onboard in the system to run that tool? These are the foundation data for me. Being a consultant, being a business analyst of the ServiceNow or any of the tool, irrespective of the ServiceNow I'm saying, you should understand why you want this thing. What is the base for you? If I want to go for the interior, I call one person, okay, interior expert in my home. He says, okay, sir, tell me how many users in your family? I say 4. What he's collecting? He's collecting the foundation data. How big is your home? I said 2 by 2, 2 BHK or 5 BHK or 6 BHK. He's taking the foundation for me. Once he get the foundation, then he will build a tool. Then he build a design for me. Okay, now tell me your pain areas. Arun, which you say, what issues are you facing? That is the pain area will come later on. Understand the base of a customer first. Clear till this point? Or, yes, Arun, go ahead.
So it means I mean to make it short or simple, like it's something like the KYC for the customer, like to know to all the details, right?
You can put the KYC, but if I talk specifically in the ServiceNow terms, user data, location, group, department are my main foundation data actually.
Right.
My main foundation data. Without this category, subcategory are my foundation data. See, okay, let me tell you here. Properties are तो बाद में देखते हैं. This one, department, is one of my foundation data. I don't have a location field here. Okay. Otherwise, I'll show you here. Let me go on this one. हो गया ना? Yes, incident. This category. These are my foundation data. If I remove the category from incident table, are you guys able to create incident? No. This CMDB is my foundation data. Minimum CI I need to be run my system, sir. Assignment groups are my foundation data. Impact is my foundation data. How many impacts you have? I have 5 level of impacts. I have 6 level of impacts. These are my foundation data to build my tool minimum to run that particular things. Understand till this point? Any doubt? Don't feel awkward, don't feel sad, don't feel bad. It is part and parcel of our trainings only. Anyone has any doubt, any question? Yes, no, हाँ ना. अरे गुस्सा तो भी बोल दो. Anyone? Come on, guys. Vishwajit says, sir, I'm not happy with your behavior today. आप मिलो जरा मुझे बाहर, then I'll tell you. Yes, Arun, any doubt, any question?
And no, I mean, this is good. So I think this can put in the homework, by
Definitely, yes.
like define foundation data, and then it will be easy for us to recall anytime.
Right. Okay. So Ashwini put this point that these are the foundation data. Okay. So guys, I'll stop myself here. I'll not proceed further now. I want to discuss important thing for you guys. Okay. My simple requirement, and one more thing. When you are working in any of the requirement, don't become the technical architect or the solution architect on a day one or the immediate. Listen to the customer first. I am your customer. You all are my business analyst here. You all are my consultants here. Okay. And I want this project to be happen actually in ServiceNow. I am taking a trainings since approximately I can say September or October. I can say I'm taking the trainings, but I'm using Excel sheet to maintain all my records. It's attendance, it's agenda, it's fees, anything. I am taking care of that part. I want you guys to build an application, to build a module for me in ServiceNow to track this complete stuff. Got the requirement?
Which stuff you're talking, sir, exactly?
Okay. I am a trainer. Agree?
Yes.
I have a set of agenda. Every day I take attendance. Right? Every time I take attendance, every day I take attendance. Many people approach me. Atul, when is your next batch is going to be start? I make the inquiry, and I'll add them in my temporary WhatsApp group or something like this. Okay. But once the batch has been started, every day I put the start time and the end time. That is the one thing. I take your attendance. That is the second thing. I charge the fees from you. I need to be keep a record of that same as well. Somewhere that how much fees you have need to give to me, how much you have paid, and how much is the outstanding. I am doing everything as of now in the Excel sheet. But I'm a ServiceNow developer. Why should I use Excel sheet to maintain all my records? Why not you guys create a simple table, a one module for me? Sir, going forward, take attendance in this form only. No need to be maintained the Excel sheet. Go here and mark yes, yes, no, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. It will be done for you. Clear? Kuch fundamental? Any doubt? Any clarity you need? Vinuj, Arun, Prashant, Vishwajit.
Yeah, this can be good case study to implement or to make it more
Arun,
interactive.
it's not a case study. It's a use case. It's a use case. It's
Yes,
not a case
yes.
study.
Yes.
One thing which is be important here. You all 11 people will be work as a business analyst for next 7 to 8 days with me. We will put 5 to 7 minutes every day in our class. You gather your requirements. Atul, what you want on the portal, what you want on the incident form, what you want on the change form, what you want on the form, how you want to see the form. No technical discussion. Don't think, Atul, we will put a script here or we will put a new table here. No technical discussion. Until unless I will tell you little more basic things of the service now, no need to go into the designing part. Let's take this as a use case and develop this project for me. What do you think? Tanvi, Harsha, Dhanashri.
Yes, sir.
You need a practical things, right? You are a business analyst for me. You need to be gather the requirements. After 5 or 7 days or 10 days, you become the architect for me. After that, you become a developer for me. After that, you become a tester for me. And then we will sign off this. So now, from today onwards, start thinking on the perspective. Atul sir need something to track the training part. What I should ask him for the requirement. I'm again telling the bottom line. Don't ask any technical thing to me. Become a consultant and ask the consulting things to me. Atul, what you want? I am your customer and you are my service provider. Very simple part. Clear or any doubt? Any question? Vinoj, Dhanashri, Arun, Prashant, Tanvi, Harsha, Vishwajit. Yes, no, Hana, anything you can be say. Yes, Dhanashri. Easy.
No issue.
It's a very small project, not a big
No.
project. Very small project.
Yes.
But
Sir, if any problem, we will pin on WhatsApp.
definitely, I'm here only. I'm your stakeholder. Don't worry. Okay. I try to record something and send it on the WhatsApp for you guys. That what exactly I'm looking for. Then start thinking as a consultant from that perspective. How best you can do, how best you can give it to me as a user experience. And I don't want that 3 people will work as a developer, 3 work as an architect. No. For the beginning stage, everyone is a BA for me. Get a requirement from my side. Okay, all clear? Okay, let me stop the recording here first.